How you doing? If you can see fall, then...
Jada, what are you doing up the tree?
What?
What are you doing up there?
I don't know. It's fun.
You.
No.
You. Grounded. Do it again. I swear to God, do it one more time. Get in there. Alright, go on. Go on. In your room.
Still not.
Do not pass go. Go on.
Here, I'm trying to keep the branches.
Are you coming down? No, you're gonna stay up there? Okay. Bye-bye. Have fun.
Fine, here.
Nope.
Here.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Room.
Oh, man.
What do you think? Should we get her?
My foot. Oh my God. Now carry me up to that branch. I need here so I can meet my high score.
Which one?
That branch right there. I can meet. Okay. Go. My high score was going up to that branch.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. So all I have to do is climb this.
Okay.
How? That's all the reason.
Oh, no, you're the one that got up there. Alright, well, I'm going back inside now.
Whoa. What if I fall?
No, are you going to fall? Jump.
Dave. I think I am. Hi.
Hi. You want to come down now?
I think so.
Alright, come on.
I can't meet my head.
Drop!
Hello.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.